In this video, I want to continue with what I had mentioned in the previous one, and that is going to be deleting our Powerup message and just simply moving it over to here to where this is only a text block. So unfortunately, this means we're going to have to kind of remake our animation, but we at least know what it's supposed to be and look like, so it'd be quite easy to do. So to begin, let's first off go ahead and add a text like so, and anchor it to the middle. Or actually, let's anchor to the bottom middle and do 0.5. And let's see, what did I do for this one? And 8. So let's set it to 8. Next up, we want to go down to our render opacity, and that'll be 0 by default. And I'm going to name it TB underscore Powerup message, so we know exactly what it is. So next up, we basically want to mimic this here. So what we can do is just add a track to TB Powerup message and add the same kind of thing. So at frame 0, we want to add the render opacity. And we also want to go ahead and store, in our case, the transform. Then we want to move down to whatever this frame is, where we set the render opacity to 1. And we also want to keyframe the Y translation to be 0. So that way we can move over all the way down to the end and have our Y be updated. So down here, we want to add, let's see, we're using -50. So let's copy and paste -50. So that way it's keyframed there. And then lastly, we need to control the opacity. So right here, it's fully blended in. We want it to still be at a value of 1 as it reaches here. So let's add a keyframe for render opacity, then go all the way to the end and set the render opacity down to 0. And now it should be the exact same. So it just fades in and fades out as it moves up. And that's what we want. That's really it. So now we can take our Powerup message and simply delete it from the animation. And now we can also delete WBP underscore Powerup message altogether. And that's it. So that takes care of that. The only thing left is going to be in our graph, where we want to take the, I did not make it a blueprint. So let's check is variable. We want to take TB underscore Powerup message, and we want to set text. And the text we want to set is going to be the Powerup message. And then we simply play the animation. So now we should have the exact same result, but without the need for the given Powerup message itself. So let's pick it up. Max ammo, scrolls up and fades out. So yeah, that's really it. So now we can go through and delete our Powerup folder from our UI. And just to make sure, update redirectors and save all. And we are done. So I'm going to consider our Powerup message part complete. If you like what I'm doing and you want to help support me, you can find a link to my Patreon in the description below, where you can also get early access to this entire series.